Oh, finally, I made it. One boat for me. My supply boat. Carry the food and water. You see there? I don't know how you call that place there. There's a Chang Ilu at the end. And there, it's easy. You see that? Yeah. Sheyi! Shangni! Ganyan cheche! Ano kan? Tiga udah chuang kay lianggarin eh. Uga ni Papa na ni Cheche gani ni Mama Puyong ba ni ito gani Pucho ah. Oh, so beautiful here. So rewarding. Scary because there in the shore the wave a little bit hard. So but I find a technique at least. And that's what actually I try to do today. I'm not going fishing today. Maybe next time, God willing. And yeah, I think I find a technique. I need to have rope. The supply boat, I have to push first away from the shore. Then after that, this one. If no big waves, the waves actually it's in there, the near maybe there in 1 meter there in the seashore. Yeah. And then the man there, I go first there, and then the man fishing there. And then he say he's fishing line entangled to my boat. I say, really? So when I try to, I say, you release more shen, your line. So I check my boat if it tangle. Then later he say, oh, no more. So I blame him. He say, you're a liar. You don't. It's just you don't want me to play or to use this beach. You think it's yours. Already Lauren Jaime Limao. I go first there. They're supposed to be very, very big. Why not they go somewhere? They drive car, 4-wheel drive. Can run that in the seashore. Why they come close to me and then complain that entangle? Maybe really entangle. But if you really entangle, that's still his fault. But I have to go back now because the wind start to picking up. I have food. Yeah. Here, my ID, my car key, and my cell phone sealed. Yeah, I almost forgot. So, enough. Next time, maybe. Yeah. My phone, don't drop it's better I drop my phone than my key, but they together. And this one, have this one, no? So, even if we go independently, still can float in the water. I already tried it in the house. It's still floating. And this box is sealed and put in a bag which is also waterproof but not 100%. But if you seal properly, if you fold properly, have air inside, so the wind, so the water cannot hit. And then my water there, because when you go to the sea, you don't know what will happen. So I ask the Coast Guard there. I say if I can, and if I can to Guay Santa. I say may wenti just shashing anchen. I say how may wenti. So rogo woyo swe gan suo miam pao to be no. May wenti. Okay, stay 1 day. 1 day in the beach. I used to be a fisherman. Thank you for a while. That's it. Yeah. The one there is garbage there. So out there, Tupucha there. There is the Tochen. This is the east. The sun there is the east in my back. Thank you.